Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa Explains It All. Y'all, it is fall, it's spooky season. I've got my lights out, I've got all my little decor out, so I am here for it. So today I am showing you guys a few family-friendly fun drinks that you can make with your kids this Halloween if you're throwing a party or if you're just staying in. These can of course be kind of dressed up with some adult beverages if you're interested in making it a little more adult, but I wanted to do something that was family-friendly if you're wanting to do something with the kids. So these of course are have no alcohol in them. They're not particularly healthy, I would say. They are full of sugars and sodas, so if you're worried about that, I would skip these or maybe just find a way to kind of make it a little more healthy for what you guys drink. But these are kind of just a sort of once a year treat. So if that sounds interesting to you, hit subscribe. Feel free to share this with your friends and family, and let's get started. For our first drink, you'll need some Hawaiian Punch in the Greenberry Rush flavor. Go ahead and fill this up about 2/3 of the way and top with your favorite lemon lime soda like Sprite or 7-Up. Then add some Nerds. I'm using grape and strawberry here just to kind of turns the soda a little bit a different color. And then add some gummy parts. I just got these at the Dollar Tree, and just kind of stick those in there. You can kind of use a straw to help you get the parts a little towards the front of the glass. Have fun adding as many parts as you like and just top with a straw. And there's our first drink, looking spooky. Next up, fill a glass up with ice and grab your Sprite. And I'm using Kool-Aid liquid to concentrate in a cherry flavor and a medical syringe with the needle taken out, of course. Just take some of the cherry Kool-Aid and suck up the liquid, the concentrate in the syringe, and then you're just going to drop a few drops into the drink to simulate kind of like a vampire drink. And if you just lay it in there, the liquid will actually drip out and look really cool, kind of like some fake blood. Looks really nice effect. Just put a straw and maybe some vampire teeth and you are ready, and it looks so cool just kind of continuously dripping out. I think this one might actually be my favorite. I love it. For our next drink, I'm using some Gatorade Fierce in the grape flavor. And I'm just looking for like a blue or purple drink, and I kind of fill that up in a glass and add some food coloring, a purple. I wanted it more purple. It turned out a little bit darker than I wanted, but you can maybe add less food coloring. And then I'm using cake shimmer. This is just edible kind of glitter that you can find at Michael's and I think Walmart and maybe Joann Fabrics. And then just kind of tap some cake shimmer in. I'm adding cherries to mine. I just like cherries for this one. It kind of is like a maybe Maleficent kind of Descendants type drink. And I just love the cake shimmer. This is a beautiful drink when held up to the light. For our next drink, I'm using orange Fanta, and I'm just going to fill this up almost all the way. Grab some orange sherbet and go ahead and scoop yourself out a few scoops on top. This is kind of like a punch. And then grab your gummy parts again and drop some eyeballs and whatever kind of other parts that you'd like in the drink. Just kind of dip those in and decorate to your heart's content. Add a little spider maybe from the Dollar Tree and a straw, and this one is a wrap. Looks really cute. Next up, I'm using a dry erase marker on a glass, but you can also use a Solo cup and a Sharpie just to make yourself a ghost face. And then we're gonna make a white drink. And this is one actually a little bit healthier. It uses 1/3 cup of almond milk, and I'm just using unsweetened original here. And then some Greek yogurt. I did use a vanilla Greek yogurt and mix that in. This is 1 cup or 8 ounces, and just mix it till it's smooth, and then pour it in your glass. And there you your friendly ghost. And this is what they all look like together with some dry ice. They look super cool. As a reminder, of course, as a safety tip, never drink a drink with dry ice in it, but I did this for the sake of the video. Dry ice looks super cool when used in something else that you're not going to drink. So that is it. Again, really cute, really kind of simple, just a few ingredients that you can find in any grocery store. So hopefully this is interesting to you guys. Let me know if you've made these before or if you have questions or thoughts below in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.